Welcome to UCLA. So I came for undergraduate study here. This was my home department for the Spanish department, and that way the history department. So I was, as a 20-year-old walking all over this campus, and it was just such a gift to come here. Thinking about, my parents not having the same opportunities that I did, and that sense of pride and accomplishment. I'm doing this not just for myself, but also for my own family, right? Like my mom was not able to go to school once she wanted to continue her studies because my grandpa said, no, school's not for girls. And, to come here from that to this, it feels really good. And my parents grew up in Mexico and in a small town in Mexico, and such a big difference, right? The opportunities and the access that they had versus me. So just, you're doing things not just for yourself, but for others, and paving the way for the next generation. When I applied for college, I was accepted into UCLA and UC Berkeley, and I was seriously debating which school to go to. And I came here with my parents. We did like a one-on-one tour, and the tour guide, she brings me to the spot here, literally, and she shows me like this beautiful view, and she tells me, all of this can be yours if you accept UCLA. And I was like, wow, that felt so empowering. And I chose UCLA, and now I feel like this is part of my kingdom, and I came, I saw, I conquered, and I graduated.